yeah. I guess I just want to work on it. That's the thing. I have fun working on it. Like, the problem is I don't want to work on the command blocks. At all. I just don't want to. I want them to be finished, but I don't like working on them. That's it. I like seeing them finished, but the process of getting there is not very enjoyable. And so I can't just go and say, oh yeah, I should work on the important stuff, because I don't want to do any of that at all. But I have to. Which is why I'd like you to be there at least so I can just talk with you about it. But yeah. To some extent, I kind of just want you to be there so I can just explain all this shit to you and invent effectively. Sometimes.
Oh shit! Oh no! I smacked it.
Well, yeah.
Oh, I made it. Oh my god, I did it.